I've never heard the kicker. What is the actual term for this box?
Kicker quad box.
Kicker quad box. Use discount code JacobViral when you shop at Down for Sound, Sky High Car Audio, and others. Links in the description. Is there an optimal space location you put your box? Like where at is it loudest?
Not any closer.
About right there?
Yep. Does a 150.4 clamping 3300.
That's pretty good.
Yeah.
And this is actually, is it prefab or is it
prefab? You buy that, click it on kicker.com.
Kicker.com, all right. Nice. All right. I'll get in.
It's nice to finally meet you, man.
Yes, sir. Nice to meet you, Andy. I only know your name from Facebook just because I get on every day.
Yeah, got you, man.
Oh, nice. I've never heard the kicker. What is the actual term for this box?
Kicker quad box.
Kicker quad box.
Kicker quad box.
I've always seen like pictures of them and never really heard it in person. So, oh man, where's your amplifier and all of that?
That was underneath. I can pull it back up for you, or we can wait till after.
We'll see it afterward. Yeah. It's all hidden. So that keeps it clean. That's awesome. All right.
Absolutely.
So what's your name and all in here? Go ahead.
Name's Andy. Live it loud with Andy. YouTube. Do live streams, but kicker all day. Got the kicker quad box and the daily vehicle here. It's got two CXA 1800.1s, wired at half ohm each, and a CX 36.4 for the mids and highs. Stock alternator, JY lithium HP40, and a UC31.
Okay.
So
Nice.
we're dealing with not much electrical, but it works.
Yeah, got it. And it's all hidden under the box.
It's all hidden underneath.
Okay, I'll go look at it after.
Absolutely.
What is that box tuned to?
It's tuned to 31, but it'll play anything from like 28 to about 49.
49. Okay.
It's got nice range too. It's musical.
Got it. All right.
Let's see. I'll give you a little bit of. Can I give you two songs?
Yeah, let's do it.
I'll give you like a country, like regular song,
Okay.
and then I'll give you the beans.
All right, sounds good. Nice.
Oh, kicker, man. It's
Yeah.
all kicker.
Yeah. Can I see the back and all the install underneath?
Absolutely.
How you doing?
How many cameras do you see?
It's just efficiency.
You gotta get all the footage. Every angle, right?
Yeah.
Gotta straighten this up a little bit. I'm always
right.
testing, always tweaking. Right, Ed?
Never stop.
There we go. She was a little better before, but switching.
So is it? What? The batteries are underneath this part.
Oh
Right
yeah,
through
it's
here.
all under. You can't even see it.
Don't worry about it.
Can't even see it.
What were the batteries again?
JY HP40 and a UC31 capacitor.
This is actually, I like the way the efficiency of it is. So you have everything hidden, and then you have your big back seat and family vehicle daily driver. So. Nice, man.
Thank you, dude.
Hey, man. What's going on, everybody? This is JacobViral. I hope you enjoyed the full walk around we got of Andy's system. He showcased at the Team Deadly Hurt show in Virginia of 2023 TDH show. Go ahead and give him a like as well as comment. Let him know what you think about his system. Really impressed to see the output this kicker quad box did over a 150 dB in this vehicle. Subwoofer cone area to port area looks really optimized as well. Kicker did a good job with the layout and box design, and being square subs helps with the actual optimal cone area for a 12-inch subwoofer. If you notice, his actual amplifiers were hidden underneath. I like the hidden amplifier compartment so everything looks nice and clean. This puts this system at around 3,800 watts before impedance change rise and voltage drop. I think he said he was clamping a little over 3,000 watts to break that 150 on a burp, which is pretty nice to say. These subwoofers were rated at 600 watts RMS each, with the total recommended from Kicker of 2,400 watts RMS for the actual power handling of this. And when he put the box in place, I really like to know what the box location was. That was the optimal location. Anybody having a system installed in their no-wall system or even the trunk, consider locating your box in a different spot. You may find that you can get a little louder just by box adjustment. We're going to be getting to the cardio base demo now. If you haven't already, consider subscribing for daily videos coming your way every day, and enjoy.
Some sauce now.
All right.
Tell me I'm so
impressive for prefab.
Yeah.
And then also just making the cube square subs like that. Pretty good output. Probably 50, 47, 48 on music. Probably 50 burp.
Yep.
Nice.
Yep.
Really good
100%.
job. Really nice job. I appreciate it, man.
That's all.